No, don't you see
My
my
advice, if you want my advice as a relatively seasoned player, if any of you are feeling slow or feel hungover as fuck from the previous night, why not go through here and get the easy light first?
How about
stay here and defend it and be a fucking pain in the arse to the orange. Those of you who are feeling really bold and energetic, start pegging it straight over. A lot of it is over midfield.
I'm just going to follow my way to F.
I'm just going to run my way.
Upstairs or downstairs in there? Probably one upstairs or one downstairs.
You need to get F wings on though, because it's just an easy. G wings is just an easy point.
Yeah, exactly. We'll be alright there. We just need to cut you. Can't be out of I think so. We just need to get that. What?
Get the ones in F and then.
I think Taylor's an F wing.
You go with it.
Please, are you ready?
Team 10.
What building you
We're thinking this.
I was going to go for middle wing.
Try and push them right to the end.
I think they're
You've got to try and carry that building to the end.
stand by! 4, 3, 2, 1, give on! We attack first.
And this is 3T. Awesome, perfect.
Straight edge. Right, hang on.
Right hand side, green pan, straight to the middle with these two clear
I just got shot in the ass. I just got shot from behind, is that there?
What?
Yeah. I was like, oh well.
I was shot in the forearm. I think I got him in a turn, so I'll take that. 1 for 1. I'll say that's pretty much back at school.
Yeah, all three of it.
I'm gonna say about here, that was it.
No one getting any cash.
That's not where we're putting ours.
Isn't it?
Ours is in the middle. We just have brief.
Where we had the briefing, there's a little shack in the middle.
Yeah, shit, yeah, you're right. Okay.
Whoa! Careful, right hand side. Nah, right hand side edge of building.
Right hand side edge of the building!
Come on, mate, I was doing some fucking shit.
Yeah, definitely got him then.
Through to the fucking chest and he walked him off. Was it? Oh, shame it.
Hello, blue.
Yeah, we're shooting that way.
Blue.
Where on the McCafe?
Gateway on the left, big gateway.
Oh, yeah. He's just chucked a grenade through, mate. Expect the push.
Is he dead?
Dead!
What the fuck are you doing?
Right outside of the gate.
I wish you would.
Left hand side as well!
Yeah. That's my rear on my 12.
On the 12 where he's facing into...
Pedestrian gate, both sides!
Straight right behind you. That bit cleared on the left. Gets the car. Oh.
Moving.
Go. Hello mate. Hello. One straight behind there, not too sure what outside. Clear that one from the main gate on the left.
That wind.
I know. That's what, give it a slight angle. On your left! Tuck in!